a Gmail account like this, you come to this section. Hope you can all hear me because I did not hear any response from you. Can you all hear me and see my screen before I proceed? Okay, thank you. So if you log into your Gmail account on desktop, if you don't have a laptop, you can still use your phone browser, and then you click on the dot at the right top corner, and you change the browser to desktop mode. So you will need to be using Google Chrome to get this advantage. So you click here. There are so many apps by Google, and this is Google My Business that we want to discuss. So you click on the business, and you must be at the location that you want to map. You want to mark on the map. So this is the interface. So then so you have edit profile, read review, message, photos, advertise. So we click on edit profile. So you have a business name here. So you put the business. I'm not the owner of this Gmail account, so I will just be explaining. I won't change anything because of privacy policy, since I'm not the owner of the Gmail. It's one of my clients. So now you have the business name here. Then you have the category, business category here. Then description. So at this section you have opening dates, contact information, website address. So there's another section which is social profile. So you can add your social profiles, either Facebook, Instagram. So after this, you can then proceed to, so we've already discussed the contacts there. So you come to location here. So in this location, you have you click on this edit. Then you have Nigeria. You type the street. So the street, local government area, the city or town. So as you are putting all this information, then you put the postcode. You put it here. So you put the dates. So once you've done that, you will see that at the map here, there will be a kind of adjustment on the map. So initially at the first stage, it will show you maybe the world map, but as you are editing this address, you are putting the information, so it will be adjusting. So after that, you can now click on adjust. So all the lines that you are having here, if you zoom in very well, you will see the names of different streets there, and the picture, you will see it there. So you will zoom in very well. So you even see different streets, all the roads and streets that we have, they are on the Google map. So then you mark it. You have to look at it very well. So and then you mark it. Once you've done that, you click on save. But Google will not approve it immediately. it will take some minutes or hours before they approve it. And if you make any changes here, it will take uh, some minutes or hours before they approve it. So you close this. So let's suppose you've already finished setting up your, you can even add updates, so the opening hours and everything. Then you here, so you can put pictures, videos of your business, so that when people search for your business, they can see your office, they can see your products, they can see it there. So, and this is the cover. You can add the cover will be at the background. So while you can have different pictures there. So, and remember that you've already added your website address there. You've already added your social media link. This is one of the fastest ways to get business uh, recognized online, even if the business owner does not have a website. I get a lot of calls from Google, so not even from my website, not even from my banner billboard outside there. So because if you write the business description, so when you are doing the edit profile here, so you have to write your description in a way that is SEO friendly. So and the way business name so must be SEO friendly. So you can say maybe web developer in Osun, uh, programmers in Nigeria. So you just write it in a way that it will show like keyword search. So and that will be in the way you are writing the description. Are you looking for a programmer in Osun State, Nigeria? So that's how you start with it, so that that keyword will assist the Google to bring your profile forward. So while you have your business name as you registered it on the title, so that you put the images there, then you will see the performance here. You see the performance here. I will show you my own that is performing. So I will show it to you. Then if you have when you render any service, you can ask people to give you a. So let me open my own profile. So you ask people service, any service that you render. So there's no review there, but I have it on my own profile. So business profile. So this is my profile here. You can see it is a verified business on Google. So I have the verified tick here. So you manage this business profile. So on this interface, once I've logged in, so it will give you the performance per month here. This performance is based on is monthly. Then you can ask people to ask for review. You can see. So if you click on this, so then you copy the link. You can share it on WhatsApp, share it on the Facebook. So people will give you link and review, and you have the review here. So this review will also convince other people who visit your business profile. So as you can see here, you can see the pictures of so you can see the picture nearby. So Chicken Republic, Gaga Road. So and then it shows the nearby picture there. So I wanted to show you something. Okay, you can see the hours closed, open at 9 a.m. So when you have a public holiday, it will also ask you, do you open on this also day? So you can do the adjustment there. And with this, so they can see my website, my other business profile and everything there. So that is one of the best ways to get recognized online. So it's part of your work that you will do. So now let's proceed with the Facebook ad placement. I'm still waiting for the network to make the page load. So I'm on my Facebook account now. I will now log into Ad Manager. So / Ads Manager. We've already done this section last week, but there are some things that I did not mention, and it was deliberate because that last week class will serve as introduction. So and this second one now we make it clear to us more. So this is the one that we set last week, and then so we are going to create another one now. So create. So now we set our ad objective. So remember that I said last week that the best ad presently on Google, on Facebook, is engagement ad. You can also set leads ad. On this lead ad, they will be able to fill form. People who have interest in that business, they will fill a form. So maybe we do this one first and then we use this as second one. Then this one we have to do with traffic. This one is also good, but sales, we always have challenges with sales ad because of Facebook policy that they don't really allow selling products, asking people to pay you money. So that is the reason why they always disable ad account. So when you are doing this one, the procedure is rigorous. So, and even if you are doing this one, there is no website that we can use for pixel setup. So we talk about this is the best. In this one, they can message you on directly on WhatsApp, on Instagram, and Facebook Messenger. So we click on continue here. So then we select manual engagement campaign. So it takes us to this, so we can change the campaign. Deep training campaign. So just be very careful. So and then leave this one there. So you on this one, you turn it on so that you'll be able to set your budget. So you will set your budget per day. Facebook will give you this default one, but it's not really compulsory. You can have your budget more than this and you can have it lesser than this based on the coverage that you want to. Maybe you want to do an ad for maybe like 10 states in Nigeria. So it doesn't really matter the number of states that you want to cover, because the wider the coverage, the lesser you pay. So the lesser the cost per conversion. So but if you only target one state, for instance you only target Lagos, you are going to pay more because it does not cover wide range. It is restricted. So for instance you can choose this one as maybe 1,500 or 2,000. The 2,000 naira will even go far with Facebook. It will give you more. The most important thing is your content and your audience setup. So which we are going to discuss now. We've already talked about content in the previous classes. So now increase your budget during specific time period. No, I'm not going to do this one. So add scheduling, you don't do this one. You click on next. So we have to be very careful in the way we set our audience. So and the audience setup will be based on the type of product that you are promoting. So and in that audience, what we really focus on is on the interest of people. As people are posting pictures on Facebook, Instagram every day, so it helps the advertisers to know the people of interest. So as you are putting your pictures on Facebook, you edit your profile that you are married today, you are a graduate today, so you just finished NYC, you are traveling to London and America. So all the actions and activities that you are just putting online, so it helps in generating income for the Facebook, and it also helps the advertisers like us to know people of different interests. So that picture you put online that you are a graduate today, it has already given us a data that you are an educated person. So your level of education is a university, a tertiary institution, and you are a graduate. So if you edit your profile that you are married today, so it has already added to the category of people that are married. So you will see it as we are moving on now. So let's say deep training assets. So messaging apps. So we click on, so this one is a website, get people to engage with your website. So this is the engaging, because if you select another wrong option here, it's going to affect your performance, because what we selected in the previous, in the beginning, was engagement ad. So we have to continue with this one. So let's scroll down. This is our Facebook page, so we can select it and choose another page. So you can select another page. So, and these are uh, the messaging apps that we want to connect with. So this is WhatsApp. On the Facebook page that you create, you must have linked your WhatsApp with that Facebook page, and then you can also connect your Instagram with the Facebook page. So the all these things are there. So that whenever you want to advertise on this platform, this is where you set it up. There's nowhere else where you can do Instagram ad. This is where we do it. So if it is just Instagram ad, you just unclick WhatsApp and you unclick this one. So you only leave Instagram. So but if you want others, so you can select WhatsApp. WhatsApp is good because they message you directly. One of the advantages of adding WhatsApp there is that you already get the contact of your potential client. Then you write it down so that you'll be able to convert them later. So we scroll down, budget, then so we don't set end dates. So just leave it like that. You don't need to, even if it is 7 days, you already know that it is 7 days. So don't set end dates. Leave it there. Because you can pause the ad. So in setting up, if you put the end date there, the ad will stop. For instance, and you want to continue in the following week or the following month. So you don't need to edit this thing anymore. All you need is just turn on the ad and then you pay. So here, this is the audience. You have the location, Nigeria, then you click on the edit. This is where we have more jobs to do. So you have to pay attention right now. So here, if your advert is going to target Nigeria only, so you leave it in Nigeria. But if you want to have an advert beyond Nigeria, so you can remove this one, so and type global. So global. So under the country, so you go global. I don't want you to select a particular location. So okay, this one does not really give me the global. So let's say we just put Nigeria here. So for the country region. So the next thing now, once we've already selected Nigeria, you can see that it has showed Nigeria in the on the map. Then we click on the so we click on the states. So in this one, so you can have some state that we want to cover, maybe Osun. So Osun State, Nigeria, Lagos State. Let it be state. You can see states. So Lagos, Abuja. So, and when you are selecting your state, there are some states that they are high performing in terms of sales online. So number one state in Nigeria is Lagos. So number two is Abuja. Then number three is Port Harcourt, Rivers State. So those are the top states. So after Port Harcourt, the next state that is even performing, based on my experience, is Anambra State. So they purchase things there in Anambra. There's market in Anambra. After Anambra, so you can come down. So Akwa Ibom State. So after Akwa Ibom State, so you can then come back to Southwest. Osun State is also performing. Edo State. So so that you don't just waste your money. Oyo State, they are not really performing. Ogun State is also good. Ogun State. So because there are some states that they don't believe in online sales. So if you just put it there, so just to get some people who have interest, but you sell most of your product in Lagos. Lagos, Lagos alone can buy the whole of the product. So if you have good content, so Abuja, so in this Abuja, you now select Federal Capital Territory. So let's say Anambra State, Rivers State. You don't mention cities, just the state. So it will cover the whole of the state that we've already, all the cities under the state. So the ad will reach there. Rivers State. So once you mention Rivers State, you've already included Port Harcourt and others. So Akwa Ibom. Okay. So and so on and so forth. So etc. So you can now select this one, perhaps countries. Okay, this is what I was looking for. So countries, select countries. You can see now this is what I was looking for when you want to go global. So sometimes Facebook always change their interface. Next year you may see another interface. So this maybe you want your ad to cover the whole of Africa. You select Africa, and once you select Africa here, the next thing you now be selecting will be Nigeria, Ghana, Cote d'Ivoire, Sierra Leone. But this one we are selecting Nigeria. That's why we are choosing states. So if you select Africa, so the next thing you will be searching for here will be country, so not states. So that is how it is done. So but if you want all the countries, you can say Africa, Asia, Caribbean, Central America, Europe. So religion, in fact they've already added so many religion. So before it used to be Christianity, Islam, and others, the way people always so or not decided anyway. So you can see free trade areas. So you can this one will give you more ways so to reach audience. So and you will see the audience definition here. So it has not ended there. So you open this. So in this section, if you are not really careful, so you will not set the audience very well. You open this one. So this you have minimum age here. So you edit this one and select if you are promoting a product that is for adults. I will advise that you don't really pick people of 18 years. Most of them they are always playing on Facebook. So but if you want to have serious people, maybe you can start from 22 or 24. So people who are 24 years, they can decide what they want to do, but 18, 19, 20, they are always they will just message you, they don't have anything to buy. So maybe 20, sometimes 25, 25 to so 25, but because of ladies, you have adult ladies at 22 who really know what they are doing. So you can, because of ladies, you can put it at 22. So then here, in case you want to exclude some audience, so you can type the type of audience that you want to exclude. I don't really do that, but if it is necessary, you can also do that. So here, language. So it's good that you leave it at all languages. So all languages. Then advantage audience. So there's nothing much here. So so this one we choose on a manual placement. So don't choose a advantage plus placement. So manual. This manual placement, there are some things that uh, this audience now that we've done, you can save it. So you can save the audience. You click on save. So so if you want to have you can select further, maybe Facebook, Instagram, Messenger audience. So this you can see now. You can now on this Facebook now you have Facebook feed, Facebook stories and reels. So if you don't want it to show on reels, you can click search messages. So messages, people don't really see ad on message. I don't even remember when I opened my Facebook Messenger last. So it's not necessary that you pick this one because people don't really message on Facebook any longer. They only go to Facebook to see videos, pictures. So that's why it is necessary that you select these Facebook feeds because that's what people go there to do, just to see pictures and video and reads. Maybe if they are friends who post something on this. So that is you can now come for you can this is the preview. And I told you last class that there are some dimensions that you are going to put do your video. Video also has a dimension. You do one for 9 by 6 and then you do one for 16 by 9 and you do one for 1 by 1. So that 1 by 1 dimension will go for Facebook feed so that people who see your ads at the Facebook reels or stories, So it's going to be responsive, like the way you see it here. It's going to be responsive. But if you use maybe one by one, like a square like this for the reads, so it will crop some uh, content out of the video or picture. So now, so I open this one. So I open this one. Facebook has really changed a lot of things. So before, this section used to be under audience. So but because I'm careful, I can see it. I know that it is on Facebook, but I did not see it where it used to be. So this is a specific mobile devices operating systems. So you click here, so to select the type of devices that you want your ad to show on. So it is very good that you make your advert show on mobile phone only. Don't show your advert on desktop. People don't really, how many people are using desktop to browse? So people use Android and iOS. And the area that you are even going to focus is this environment that they use Android only, Android more. So Android more than then you can do this one for Android. Then we can also duplicate this ad. So if you click here, so you can see duplicate. Once you duplicate, you can edit again, and then select another one uh, for iOS. So do another one for iOS. This is where I am. So I think I'm here. So do another one for iOS. Okay. I was talking about audience. Okay. All languages. Okay, manual. Okay. So this is what I was talking about. So we have a Android smartphone, and we also have a Android tablet. So it has, so this is for Android. Then OS, we also have a Android phone different fashion. So only when connected to Wi-Fi, don't select this one. So when they are using their mobile data, so that's when you want them to see the advert. So then you can select the kind of minimum OS version that you want. You can see you have a Android 9.0. The reason why this one is important is that if you choose the oldest version of the OS, how many people are even using that kind of OS? So that will be the question. But if you use at least average, maybe, so if you don't really know about the OS version, you can Google it to know the range. Maybe it can be, if you choose this one now, maybe it was produced last in 2015. So who is using a phone from 2015 till now? Nobody. Maximum of 2 years, 3 years, people have changed their phone. 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. So that's how to do it, because people don't really use their phone beyond 3 years. So that is how you are going to do this. Maybe you just calculate, okay, this 9.0 was at least 2 years ago. You can start from that. At least people can still be using. And the reason why you have another reason is that people that are using their phone beyond 3 years, they are people of economy, managing. they are managing. So you don't have to go far to many years. So, and if you select the average, then maximum, so you can give it none. Don't give it any maximum. It's only the minimum. So, and in this minimum, you have to make it in a way that at least people that are using their phone minimum of 2 years ago. So this kind of people can buy things because they are the set of people who always change their phone, and somebody who can change phone often can buy things. So that is the logic behind it that we always do. So to get conversion. So exclude skippable ads available for in-stream video. So skippable ads are excluded. So let me check the. So don't include skippable ads in this. So I don't need this. And the next thing is we are still setting the audience now. If inventory features filters, Facebook in-stream videos, add on Facebook reels, moderate inventory, audience network, moderate inventory. So you spend more time on audience, and if you are so patient to set your audience very well, believe me, you are going to get conversion. Even you are going to, there's no way you get order. So now let's click on this. So moderate. So let's maintain this moderate. So the next thing now is apply only to audience network, current filter setting. So blocked list. So what do you want here? Create a blocked list. We don't want to create a blocked list. Content type excluded. So exclude all live video from Facebook and stream. No, we are not going to exclude that. Topic exclusion for Facebook. So Facebook read not selected. I don't know why they don't allow. This setting is applied to your ad account and can be changed for individual campaign. So there are some things that we used to do before, people that buy, but they've already removed those features now. So once you are done with all these things now, so audience and everything here, so the way they've already set it up now, we will reach more audience, but I prefer the previous interface because I used to target only people that buy online, not just anybody. I target only people that buy online. So topic exclusion. So then we click on next. So after this now, we can name our ad deep training ad. So we don't click on templates. So here, as I said last week, you can use an image here. So you can use a carousel. Carousel is when you have multiple images. So you'll be putting multiple. This one will be single image or video. You can use a video. You can use an image. A very beautiful design. So, and if it is a video, you make the video so visually appealing, and then in terms of voiceover, it must be inspirational. So then you click on media. If it is video that you want, you click on video, you place it. If it is a picture, so I've told you how to set the picture and the other thing. So if you have so you can see now Instagram image. See how Instagram So the dimension for Instagram image, you can see 1080 by 1180. So 711. Maybe I should do the screenshot, but you are going to see it in the recording. So let's say recommended Instagram. So this is the kind of dimension you are going to give your banner that you are going to use for the ad, so that it will show. You can see the dimension that you have here. So all the contents are shown. So you will be able to display all the content. So once you've already done that, you click on next. So you click on next. So you upload, you click on next. So then the next thing now is primary text. So when you see an ad, so if you click on that ad, there will be description, maybe deep training, deep digital skill training. So this is the description that they will see. 100% practical. So live class. You just make it very short. Don't write lengthy stuff. So make it like that's what I always do. Outline. So 100% live class, physical or so physical online. So just make it in kind of list, so that people don't spend much time to know what you are really advertising. And here in the headline, this is what it will show. So digital training program. So this is what. So and this one must be appealing. So or you say that break into tech or learn to earn. So you just write some things that it will call for attention. So then you can have more details here. So you can have more details here. And here, this is call to action. We call it call to action. So you can see now it will be related to, maybe it is order now, apply now. If it is, you are asking them to join training. So you can click on apply now, book now, contact now, get quotes. So learn more, shop now, sign up, subscribe, and so on and so forth. And if you just want message, send message on WhatsApp, send WhatsApp message. So still, even if you select order now, they can even message you on WhatsApp. It's just a kind of call to action. So let's say you click on order now, they can see message on WhatsApp. So then you scroll down, messaging templates. So because once they get to your WhatsApp, this is what will come up. Hi, please let us know how we can help you. This is the message that it will show to the client. So now you can edit this message that it will show to them, either on WhatsApp. So you can see the preview now. You can see the preview. So you can see the preview. This is the name of the page. So can I learn more about your business? So you can even give them the reply here, which is optional. Yes. You can say yes, or you type the information that you want them to hear. Can you tell me more about your ads? So you can tell them here. So all these questions, you can even add more questions. So then you save. So you click on save. Once you are done, then you don't need this tracking. So URL parameters, it's not really necessary. So once you are done with that and everything is set, so you now click on publish. So if you click on publish, so you have to wait for it to be in review. So you can't just click on publish and your ad will go like that. So it will be in review. Facebook will check it. So they will check it and see whether it's in line with their policy. So, but if it violates their policy, you can read on Facebook ad policy to know more, so that before you start setting ads, helping people and then earning money through this, you need to know the terms and conditions of Facebook. So once you've already know this, that's how to do the ad. So let's just consider another option, like maybe lead ad. Lead is just about asking people to fill form. They will just fill form, they won't really message. So let's wait for the network to load. Okay, so I want to do another example. So click on create, maybe for the lead ad. So lead is just to generate a contact list. So they will fill form. You can set the form that they will fill, so that you'll be able to retarget them next time. So let's select the lead, continue. So manual lead campaign. So you can see now we still have 3 sets too. So deep lead campaign. So auction, campaign objective, lead. Then we have we want this one to set our budget. So let's make it 2,500. That is just an example. So you click on next. So you can see instant form. So the form will just appear on Facebook. They don't need to go to the website. So conversion location, instant form. And if it is Instagram that you want them to fill the form, you click on Instagram. So but this is so you can see generate leads through Instagram chats. So those people who always like Instagram, and I can't blame the client because there are some products that you have people of interest more on Instagram. So if it is Instagram, so you can choose that. But if it is Facebook instant form too. So you click here. So scroll down, select your page. Select your page. Select your page. So once you've selected your page, the next thing is performance goal. So here we will try to show your ads to the people who most likely to share their contact information with you. So this one is, since we are collecting contact, we try to show your ad to the people who mostly try to convert after sharing. So this one is the best. This one, they will just fill the form. You don't know whether they are going to buy. So the difference between this one is that these people most likely to convert after sharing their contact information with you. So it's better you select this one. So because Facebook knows them, Facebook knows people who can buy. So it knows them. So then we scroll down. Then you already know this, you don't need the end date. So then we talk about audience. So audience, so you do audience as we did it the other time. So advantage audience. Now this is what I was looking for the other time. So in this advantage audience, so we are discussing another thing now in this audience section, different from what I said earlier. So you will see how I'm going to do it here in this advantage. So different from the interface for the engagement ad. So once you get here, you've already done the country, you've selected the state that you want here on this advantage plus audience. So you now click on create new. So custom audience. On this one, it will take you to this. So it can be maybe from lead form or from your website or from Instagram account. So but we are connecting with a page. I selected a page. So we are connected. If it is Instagram that you choose, you choose Instagram here. So that people that are interacting with that, so that is what you do. So we chose a page, you continue here. So what page are you connecting with? If it is Instagram, then audience retention, make it 2 days. So everyone who engage with your page in 2 days. So name audience, you can now name your audience here. So the reason why, if you name, once you've already named them and you do this, all the setting that you do will be for this audience that you've already created. So whenever you just want to do another ad, you set your audience already for that particular, so you just click on that audience that you've already set. So let's say deep. So there are ways that we always set audience. We can set more than 2 audience. So maybe we set some audience that will be for Android, we set another audience for iOS, so we set another, so different audience, so that then we duplicate the ad, then we choose different audience that we've already set. So it's still the same ad that you created, but there are different ad sets, but it will also consume your money more. So that is just so deep audience. You can say deep audience. So create audience. Create audience. So your custom audience was created. You click on the done. Then you continue now. You now continue with the age. So I don't like putting 18 years there. So let's say we have 20 years minimum. So gender. There are some products that it's good for both gender, and there are some that is for women only. Cosmetic now, women only. But the reason why it's better that you select women only for cosmetic. So if you select male and female, so maybe your husband will not buy it sef. So only few men buy for their wife. So now, then here we have a detailed targeting. Detailed targeting. You click on this edit, on this detailed targeting. There are a lot of jobs that you are going to do here. So we have a add demographics, interest and behavior. So you now click on browse. So you click on browse. So we've already spent 1 hour. So this is the last class, so I have to explain everything very well. So we can start from demographics. So in this demography now, you have education, financial, life event, parent, relationship, work. So you can start from education. On this education, so education level, associate degree, college graduate, doctorate degree, high school graduate, in college, in graduate school, in high school. So I will just select everything. IT professor, I want all of them. So whether you are a professor, whether you are a student, whether you are, so I select all of them. So that's what I was saying earlier, but I didn't see it. So you select. So you just do it one after the other. Once you are done with that, so you can go for financial income. Now people household top percentage or zip code, maybe US. So you can see the US, the way they earn in US. This one, in fact, it will work well for the kind of global advertisement. So the way they earn 10% of the zip code US. So you can select. Then life events. So life event. So anniversary within 30 days. People who just celebrated their wedding anniversary or something anniversary, they put the picture online. Fine. I always say thank you for making us know that you done anniversary, you done birthday. So it will help us to sell. So now anniversary within 30 days, within 60 days. No, people who can do anniversary, they have money. So people who never chop cannot do anniversary. So your anniversary you can do, so you select away from family. People who are away from family, you select them, you get money to travel. Away from hometown, this one na hustler, e don go from Aba to Lagos or inner way to Lagos, so or to Abuja, e don go Abuja to hustle. So now birthday, so birthday month, but the way you be selecting this, you are going to focus more on it will be related to the kind of product you are promoting. So it has to, you have to maneuver, okay, this one it has to do with people who will do birthday. Now birthday in January, you can't select this one, January has gone. Birthday in February, and this is July, so we start from July. So till December, between now and December, people who are, so because maybe the product you are selling, it can be used for birthday, so you don't select January till June, so those months have gone. So you now select from July to December. Okay, Chioma can see it and say that, okay, let me buy it for my birthday in December. Let me buy it for my mama who will do birthday in December. So that is how you'll be thinking for them. So you do it. So all these things that you are doing, this is what will make you sell. So now upcoming birthday, you click on upcoming birthday. So then friends. So friends, long distance relationship. You know some people always do it. Long distance relationship. New job, you don't get new job. New relationship. So new relationship. So newly engaged 1 year ago. Newly engaged 3 months ago. So you just do all these things. So so you select, so let's go back. So then once you are done with demography, so we now come to interest. So interest now, this is where you have to select the interest that has to do with your product that you are advertising. So business and industry. So if you are this related to business and industry, maybe you are advertising for corporate company, you select this. So entertainment and leisure. So just select it based on what the product that you are advertising. So you select, if it is what is related to food and drink. So if it is fitness and hobbies, shopping and fashion. So if it is, so this one now, I always select this one. People who always buy fashion stuff, and people who like food a lot, buy food. So only few people do gym. So now sport and outdoor. So and if it is computer related or stuff, so technology, computer, electronics and so on. Then behavior. So you have to maneuver here so that you select the best that is good for what you are advertising. So behavior. So behavior, digital activities. So now mobile users. You see all mobile users. So Facebook, people who use their phone to browse on Facebook. So maybe people who just created an account on Facebook, you select it. So people who just use iPhone 14, iPhone 14, you just bought iPhone 14 and use it on Facebook, you select it. This one get money. So consumer classification. So consumer classification. So this one has to do with international, if you are doing international advertisement. So where am I? So digital activities, I think I've done that. So digital activity team. So music creator, maybe somebody who create music, this person will get follower. Expert. So life in Brazil, friends of those who live abroad. Now, so friends of those who live abroad, you can click it, maybe Algeria. So, or somebody who always travel abroad, live in Canada, okay? Lived in Canada, you don't live for Canada before. So you can see that Facebook has every details of all of us. So you can see. If you are so patient to set the ad this audience very well, believe me, you are going to get sales. So mobile device users. So mobile device users, Android 360-degree. So tablet, mobile, smartphone, tablet. So network connections. Now we have a 2G network, 3G network, 4G network, Wi-Fi. Do not pick 2G network. Don't pick 3G. Well, 3G, you can start on 3G, 4G, and Wi-Fi. Nobody is using 2G any longer. New smartphone and tablet. Somebody who just bought smartphone. So pick it. So OnePlus, pick it. Mobile device user time. So now this is where you will know that people who have been using their phone more than 3 years. So this is where you are going to set it. So mobile device users 1 to 3 months. This one get money. This one get money. This one get money. So this one 7 to 9 months. Pick all of them. So mobile device user less than 1 month. Pick it. So more categories. So interested in upcoming events, people who have registered for an event, marketing API, developers. So this one is not really necessary. Then this one is very, very important. This is the mother of all the things that we've been doing. So purchase behavior. So this engage shoppers. It means that people who buy online. We've already selected their device, their location, the gender, religion, everything. Out of all these people, we only need those that will always buy online. Only those that buy online. You click engage shopper. So even if it is once they bought online, so it will show it to them. Then travel. I always select travel. Maybe people who always travel. So commuters, commuters, pick commuters. When people are in public transit, so they always press their phone. So commuters. So frequent travelers, pick it. Frequent international travelers, this one will get money, they will buy plenty from you. Return from travel 1 week ago. Return from travels 2 weeks ago. Pick all of them. So once you are done with all these things, you can close it. So you close it, then you click on next. So then you can name this one. So name it. So there is a signal that is showing us here. So it says that we should add a form. So let's create a form. I missed that one. So form name. So you create your form name. So deep class. So just name it in a way that it will show, it will be related to what you are really advertising. You can see email, full name. So from here, you can have their email. So more follow, high intent. So hold the audience attention with this form. So rich creative. You can see this form. So this one is better. So you have a accept format, image, and some other things. So the type of form that you want, so you do it and then you click on create. So after that, now you can see the preview of how it will show. So this is it. So set up an event, website, and app. So then you add your media here, image or picture, primary text, the headline. You put your headline here, description, call to action, sign up or anything. So tell us where to send people immediately after they tap or click your ad. So it is form. Once they click on it, we wanted to land on the form. You create the form. So once you are done with all these things, so click on publish. I think I've done the necessary thing for the class now. So if you have any question, comment, so let's hear from you. So I've already given you the details of how to set the best ad, social media ad, either on Facebook, Instagram, or WhatsApp. So I want to get feedback from you. So by next week we are doing campaign stuff. So that's why we are ending the class now. So once again, I'm Abdulwahid Delani. So it's good to have class with all of you great people like you. So let me hear from you, your feedback on the class so far. So hello Timothy, hello Israel Abigail, Emmanuel, Jonah, Samaila, Dada Ọmọwùmí, Maria, Jadedola. So you are all wonderful people. Dada Aderunke. So let's hear from you. We've ended the class and then we need your feedback. Okay, Timothy, I thought you wanted to talk. Okay, thank you. So somebody also said that the place is noisy and then our network is not good. That uh, they will focus on the recording. So the recording is there to fall back on. So thank you so much. Nice having meeting with all of you guys. You are all wonderful people. You are all great people. So thank you so much. Have a great night rest. Bye. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. Good night. Yeah. Good night. Good night.